Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. School for Elders today, what we are going to discuss is societal programming. It's not a profession, it is a programming which we receive through our society, through our parents, through our relatives, through our elders, through our neighbors, right? So, the programming which has happened in the mind of every child is to go to school. First programming. Second programming, go to college, good university, take some good subjects. Third programming, take up a job, right? A job is very good. If your child will say, I want to become billionaire like Jeff Bezos, I want to become a billionaire like Mark Zuckerberg, you will say, are you mad? Go and work in Facebook, go and work in Microsoft, right? Why you are stopping your child just for the sake of security? Because I have worked in a secured environment, right? So this is the programming which a child is receiving. Okay, child takes up a job, very good job, a multi-billionaire, then get married. Okay, got married, have kids. Okay, had kids. Once these kids are grown up by 35 to 40, they feel that what we should do now. We have been programmed only till that time. They start aging, they start all the diseases started happening in your body, right? So everything starts happening after 35 to 40. Even society discard people after 35 to 40. You know why? Because of this mental programming. Otherwise you will never get old. That is the only reason. So okay, this programming has happened. Then after 50, you don't even know what to do. Once your children are on your own, they are independent, they may not even stay with you, then you feel that your life is worthless, it's lifeless. Everyone is not having luxury to make friends and to go out after 50. So the average person who is earning, who is having a programming, who is not doing business, they feel worthless. They feel that what should we do now? What should we do? I mean, अब तो जी लिया हमने बहुत. अगर जी लिया होता तो आप जिंदा नहीं होते. You are alive because you have life. You are very important part of this universe, and you also have all the rights to stay here on this planet Earth, and you can pursue your dream which you wanted to pursue in your childhood, right? So that's how this idea came. So this societal programming is not good for anyone, people. So it's just opinionated truth which has been opposed on you, imposed on you, not opposed, I'm sorry, it's imposed on you, which need not to be followed. You can follow your own programming for what you are meant. Like I said in my earlier videos, it's not that you sleep and suddenly you wake up and you get, oh, I got passion. It's not like that. Or, oh, this is my purpose of life. It's not like that. Till the time you will be surrounded by these outside noises, you will never be able to find the purpose. So you have to silence these voices and you have to stay and go deep within what is the purpose of your life. Like I have just received this inner purpose. Apart from my professions, I was like, I should take up this as my purpose of life, to do something for elder population, because they are so talented. I have seen so many elders. I have narrated so many stories to you, those who are doing so much in the field of society, human race, right? So they are doing so much for human race. So why can't our elders and our parents can work towards it, right? So and I told you that I have spoken about that black sheep which is hounding every mind. So I will not name that. I will just call it black sheep from now onwards for this pandemic, whatever is going on. So this black sheep has to go out of our homes, our bodies, our society, our minds, our thoughts. So that's the reason I have changed the name. So so this black sheep, I just wanted to tell you the story about scurvy. There was a disease named scurvy. There is still date a disease named. Many people were dying because of scurvy, and people were not able to find the cure. As I told you, nothing is incurable in this world. So now everyone knows it can be cured by taking vitamin C. It was just a deficiency of vitamin C. You know why people died? It is only because of fear. गब्बर सिंह ये कहकर गया, जो डर गया वो मर गया, right? So डरना नहीं है हमें, right? We have to stay fearless. We are fearless souls. So your death only happens because of fear. It is not because of your disease. It is nothing. Your energy frequencies, what I talk about, you should normalize it and you should keep your vibrating higher. You should keep your vibrations higher and stay blessed always. Have positive vibrations, high vibrations, and take care. See you till next video. Bye bye.